Hey everybody, today the R32 is getting a little aesthetic upgrade. We're gonna go from the stock lights to the Euro cherry lights, courtesy of Sven in Germany. Thanks for sending these over.
Show a video of it here. Two 10 mils up in there. Morning.
Morning! So we just popped everything out, and you can even see these Mark 5s, there's a bit of rust starting there, so one day we'll redo this tailgate, but for now, we'll just make it look really pretty.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention we dropped the panel a bit to get to the bolt through here. There's a screw inside this handle. Gotta take out. For the back taillights, for the big taillights, there's a clip here, there's a hook here, pull off, and then you can just pull the carpet back. And there's two 10 mils there and a connector. Don't forget your conversion harnesses. Got mine from ECS Tuning. They just plug right in. Go. And just put the new harness, just tuck it down behind here. Okay, so make sure you code the lights with VCDS. I will put a link in the description for the coding I used. And also, when you're doing coding or ECU flashing, it's always good practice to put a battery charger on. You just don't want to lose power to your ECU because it could cause some issues. Hey, let's try this out now. Key off. It's on. Oh yeah. Sweet. Awesome. And I think the reverse light's only going to be on the other side now. Because,
On one side?
yeah, because this side's the fog light. We need to get a different switch for that. Yeah, so just this one should light up. Sweet. Well, there you have it. Let's install European taillights. What do you
Sehr
think?
gut.